And first in the news this morning, President Bush is on his way to the Southland to get a first-hand look at the devastation left behind by the Southland wildfires. Diminished winds and rising humidity are helping firefighters to finally start winning the battle, a battle that is now in its fifth day. More than a dozen wildfires continue to burn around the Southland. But some good news, 3 of 4 fires in L.A. County are 100% contained this morning. The fires have burned over 695 square miles. More than 1,600 homes are destroyed. The State Department of Insurance estimates the damage at more than $1 billion. And there are now 11 deaths linked to the fires. Crews near Poway discovered 2 charred bodies in a burned-out home earlier this morning.
The progress made in these wildfires in Southern California really has to be attributed to not only the hard work of the men and women on the front lines and in the air battling the blazes, but also, of course, Mark, the weather has finally started to cooperate.
It started just about a week ago on Sunday when all of a sudden we went on this wild roller coaster ride, and the Santa Ana winds kicked up very, very quickly. It started around 11 o'clock on Sunday morning, and then by 2 o'clock we saw the winds go, from almost, 5 or 6 miles an hour to 20, 30 with gusts up to 50, 60. Now it's taking its time, though, but the high and the support system for a Santa Ana wind event started to drop out and break apart late Monday evening. Yesterday was sort of a transitional day. Today we're starting to see the further north you go, more of an onshore flow, but still very hot temperatures. The good news, humidity's back up. Temperatures are warm, winds are dying down, and by tomorrow we will have an onshore flow. 87 to 94 today, cooling down by another 8 to 10 degrees by tomorrow. Michaela.
All right, thank you very much, Mark. Let's take a look at where we stand with some of these blazes. Now the ranch fire, now 70% contained. Originally, the fire was not expected to be contained until next Wednesday, but according to Forest Service officials, as they say, the prospects for containment in the near term are very promising. All evacuations have been lifted. Residents have been allowed back into their neighborhoods. The fire has charred 54,716 acres, destroyed 7 structures and 14 boats in a storage area. Meanwhile, the Malibu fire, 100% contained, but the push is on to ensure that no flare-ups occur. The Buckweed fire also has been declared 100% contained. It scorched tens of thousands of acres south of Agua Dulce. The Magic fire, 100% contained. That fire burned through thousands of acres in L.A. County, including Stevenson Ranch. It has been traced to construction workers doing welding work.